Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to change keyboard language. So to do that, I'm heading over to the settings option in here. And here I'm going to the search option and searching for keyboard. And I'm going to the Samsung keyboard. And in here, as you can see, there is an option of language and types. I'm going to the language and types of my keyboard. There are two selected in here. So if I want to change the language, what I need to do is just to go to the manage input language and just turn on the other language I want. And then what I need to do is just to use a switching method. Like if I just use the spacebar swipe, then if I swipe on the spacebar on my keyboard, the language will be changed. Or there is an option of language key and spacebar swipe or the language key only. So yeah, this is how you can just change keyboard language. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.